This time on Avalanche in San Diego, we're heading to the Dolomite Mine. Okay, we are just off the S2 near Coyote Mountains. We are heading to the Dolomite Mine. I don't think this is the usual way people go there. This is the long way, but we have time. This road starts pretty good. It's smooth. The surface is hard and easy to drive on. This is I don't know how it's gonna be when we are getting closer to the mountains, but we shall see. It's May 2024, early afternoon in the Anza Borrego State Park. 79 degrees, unseasonably cool. We've done a few trails today. This is one of them. Oh, the joyas are pretty. Look at those. They are not to be touched. I mean, those are nasty, sticky, like nature's Velcro, but worse. It seems that there are places that require clearance, ground clearance. So far, haven't needed four-wheel drive. I don't expect that this trail would require four-wheel drive, but this is interesting. I mean, it's like John Carter's Mars. I think those rocks are red because of iron. Why else would they be red? I need to ask somebody. And ask them before I ask them. I wonder if that road up the hill there is the Dolomite Mine Road. I've never been there, but the brochure looked nice. Let's see what the map says. The map says this road continues a bit that way, but we are turning left for the Dolomite Mine. Laguna Mountains, I think. I don't know. Mountains from a molehill, but I think those are Laguna Mountains. Might be some other mountains too. They all look the same to me. This section is more sandy and softer. We are following the S2 in the same direction. S2 is somewhere over there. Slower but faster. The challenge here is, I would say, if you need to yield and pull over, the sand on the side of the road is soft, and when you stop, it's easy to get stuck in a lower vehicle, or if you have two-wheel drive only, just keep on moving if you can, even when you're yielding, and you should be fine. The road is not too narrow. It's a little bit rutted, so you would catch your bumper there, right there, in a car, in a 97 Camry. So this is longer, maybe a little longer than I was thinking, but it looks fun. Certainly better than driving the S2. I do see tire tracks here. People do drive this, so they will recover your body eventually. This section is a bit harder again. And we're getting back on soft sand here. It's comfortable. I mean, more comfortable than the 405. I have aired down a bit. Not for traction, but for comfort. Oh, now there's oopsies. There is an intersection. I think this route comes from the S2. Let me check the map. Yeah, this is the West Dolomite Mine Road, and that's what you usually take here. And turn left right here, and up the Dolomite Mine Trail. And this trail is not too long. I think that might be the Dolomite mine, that rocky outcrop over there. Soft sand. People have been driving here on street tires based on the tire tracks. Oh, there's the Dolomite mine. I can see that there are structures, abandoned structures there. Maybe this will become an abandoned places video. Who knows? What is this? What is that route? It seems that it might be closed. Somebody has knocked off that sign. I wouldn't want to go to places like that. It's not very obvious, but if you don't know about it, but it is obvious when you do know about that. When there is a pole or a piece of metal left in the middle of the road, there has been a sign, and that sign has said, oh, there's not a lizard. That, no, the sign didn't say anything about lizards. The sign has said that the road is closed to motor vehicles because we are in the state park, and that's what they do here. So we are following the marked roads. If it's not marked, it's not a road. This is looking fun. Okay, rear drive. It's a bit bumpy. Wow, this is looking great. Okay, are we getting stuck here? Okay, 4-wheel drive time. And let it settle. Okay. We got a little bit high centered because I have those Nerf bars for ground feelers. So although that was a Camry road up till then, when it wasn't anymore. Okay, oh, this road is collapsing here. I'm gonna get a better video of that. Coming back. This winter's rains have changed the roads a bit. If it was good last year, it doesn't mean that it's good this year anymore. It's like a bunker. What's here? I think we might drive all the way up. Trucks look like they could puncture tires, but I'm sure they're fine. Good rocks. Nice rocks. This is definitely a Jeep road here. or an avalanche road. Alright, I think we're parking here. Nice photo opportunity. Okay, let's see what's here. Mining structures. I don't know what kind, but apparently dolomite mining. The sand is white, and I guess maybe that is the dolomite. Top of the world. Okay, I don't know how this has worked out. We are on top of that concrete structure. I am out of breath. I think the mining has happened somewhere here. Slab is not where it was, I don't think. Maybe it is. Okay. Cool cat. Wow. This is okay, so there's been a pipe here leading something down there. I guess they've been loading the something over there on that concrete wall. Cool. I know nothing about that mine's history, but I'll look it up and put some information that most of you think is misleading on the AI voice. That's all for Avalanche in San Diego. See you next time.